Hi, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda. I'm here with Anthony. He is one of our service advisors. Anthony's been with the company for a little while now. Really great at his job. Here in the month of December, this is the Christmas month, and we all have hopes, dreams, wishes, things that we want to get from Santa. So we're just going to ask Anthony a question here. Anthony, what kind of vehicle do you drive right now?
I drive a 2024 Mazda CX-30.
2024 Mazda CX-30. So a fantastic vehicle, wonderful safety features, great on gas, really nice drive.
Red leather seats.
Red leather seats. But Anthony, let me ask you, if money wasn't an option and Santa was going to give you a vehicle, any vehicle you want, what vehicle would you wake up to on Christmas morning and sit in your driveway?
A Porsche 918.
A Porsche 918, folks, you heard it right there. He's got champagne taste on a Miller diet or Miller budget. But still, Porsche, what, 918?
918.
Yeah, Porsche 918 from Santa Claus on Christmas morning. Those are good dreams, my friend.
Yeah.
I love to hear it. All right, take care. We're going to holla at you.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Have a Merry Christmas.